Survey sites can waste a lot of time when users spend minutes answering questions, only to discover they do not qualify, so choosing platforms with clearer survey systems matters. By the end, you'll know what makes a survey site more efficient, what to check before signing up, and how to avoid spending your time on surveys that are not a good fit. The first thing to check is the sign-up process. A good survey site should explain what information is needed and how your profile helps match you with surveys. Complete your profile accurately, because survey matching usually depends on the information you provide. The second thing to check is survey availability. Different survey sites have different numbers of opportunities depending on your location, profile, and current research needs. Before spending time on a platform, check whether it regularly provides surveys that match your interests and profile. The third thing to check is the qualification process. Some surveys use screening questions to determine whether you fit the research group. Read the survey description before starting whenever possible. This helps you understand the topic and decide whether it is worth your time. Another important factor is transparency. A reliable survey site should explain how rewards work, how completed surveys are counted, and how users receive their earnings. Avoid platforms that make reward claims without clearly explaining the process. The details of how you earn matter more than the advertisement. User reviews can help identify common issues. Look for repeated complaints about excessive screeners, missing rewards, or unclear payment rules. Reviews can show patterns, but always check the current information on the survey site, because policies and available surveys can change. A simple way to test a survey site is to complete a few surveys first. Pay attention to how often you qualify, how clearly the platform tracks progress, and whether the experience matches what was promised. Do not sign up for every survey site you find. Testing a few platforms carefully makes it easier to focus on the ones that fit your schedule. The best survey sites are usually the ones that clearly explain the process, provide understandable survey opportunities, and make rewards easy to track. To summarize, check survey matching, understand the qualification process, and review reward rules before committing your time. Your next step is to try a small number of survey sites and keep the ones that provide the clearest experience. If this guide helped you avoid time-wasting surveys, like the video and subscribe for more practical earning guides.